So it's government of the people, by the people and for the people. Democracy word comes from two words. Democracy is a two word. First word is demo and then is cratia. Democratia. Demos means people, and kratia means government. So people government. It is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. That is what democracy is all about. So let's move on and check what are the different characteristics of democracy. What are the different characteristics of democracy? First is the electoral characteristics or the political aspect of democracy. Political aspect. Obviously, in democracy, elections are held. किंगशिप तो होती नहीं कि कोई भी एक परिवार से बनता रहेगा, एक राजा है उसका लड़का हुआ. तो डेमोक्रेसी फोकसेस ऑन रेगुलर इलेक्शंस. Like in India, you will see that every 5 years we have the general elections where people vote. Every 5 years we have the elections of what? Lok Sabha, where we get our Prime Minister, and every year we have the state assemblies. From where we get our CM, Chief Minister. We get the Chief Minister from him. So, political aspect is that we have regular elections. These regular elections are held after a fixed gap of 5 years, and they give direct voting right to the people above 18 years of age in India to vote and select the government of their own choice. Okay? Direct voting is done. Second aspect which counts in a political aspect is important is that these elections are free and fair. They are not conducted under pressure. Public is free. They go, they vote according to their own choice. They are not under the pressure of any political party, any organization or any government body, or they do not get influenced by the different aspects of voting like distribution of money, malpractices like सेलिंग ऑफ वोट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ठीक, तो एक फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन डेमोक्रेसी की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है, जिसमें वो सरकार चुनी जाती है जो सरकार पब्लिक चाहती है, और वो सरकार एक फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन से चुनी जाती है जिसमें पब्लिक अपने हिसाब से वोट करती है, किसी के दबाव में वोट नहीं करती, ना किसी से डर के वोट करती है, ना ही किसी को चीज़ को ऑफर किया जाता है. जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कंटेस्ट करती हैं, दे टेल द पीपल अबाउट देयर फ्यूचर प्लान्स. पीपल बिलीव इन देयर फ्यूचर प्लान्स एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द फ्यूचर प्लान्स दे वोट. Another aspect of democracy is that there is freedom of different types. freedom of speech, democracy offers different types of freedom, like freedom of speech, where a person is free to criticize the government, a person is free to state whatever is there in his or her mind, and a person is free to speak of what he thinks is good in a constitutional language. ये नहीं कि आप किसी को गाली गलौज दें, लेकिन आपको फ्रीडम होती है कि आप अपनी बात रख सकें, आप गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही हैं और उसको क्रिटिसाइज कर सकें, और जो चीज़ें आपको अच्छी लग रही हैं आप उसे बता सकें सरकार को और अपना व्यू पॉइंट रख सकें. These are some of the things that are characteristics of political aspects of democracy. One more political aspect of democracy is that in democracy there is division